good afternoon. So I called in, I think earlier this week, and I was told that I could come in to view the location for a possible wedding cake there. I just confirming that I can still come tomorrow at around 9 a.m. Yeah, I think you gave me Blue Maho and Mingle as alright, understood. So I can come as early as 9, but you're saying around 11 to 12 I'll be able to see the space being set up. Okay, so that was place 1. I'm gonna call the second one. Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome, guys.
YouTube. You say man say YouTube officer, you know. Come again.
Welcome YouTube, and welcome back to another video, guys.
So in this video, I mean, we're gonna just kind of let's clear the air. So this video we'll be actually looking at venues
For
wedding venues. Yeah, guys, so we kind of reached a point where we decided that we're able to actually start the process because we're gonna get married. Feels weird actually saying it like that. So we'll actually be looking at venues, and we've already made the decision within with among ourselves. There's nothing kind of like hide and secret or anything like that. So we'll actually be looking at rings as well. I don't think it's going to be in this video, I'm not sure. Depends on all that we're able to do, but we'll be looking at venues first. We actually had appointments. We have things kind of sorted out to a point. It's just to make things public. We're kind of doing things behind the scenes, and I guess as we go further we can give you guys more of an explanation as we go along, but there's reasons why I guess we're doing it like how we're doing it. But yes, we're not a traditional sense. We're doing things spontaneously. Well, it's not spontaneous. But I just don't know how to explain it. It's different here. But we're gonna look at venues. We have 3 in mind. One of them we're supposed to reach at 11. The other ones we're just supposed to just come. One we should come before 1, and then we're going to look at rings as well. So yeah, the long ass intro because it's weird to explain what we're doing right now.
Yeah, so just stay tuned and watch what we're going to do.
Yes.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell, you ain't, don't tell, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't. You ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't. So you say you're down with it, don't tell them how you can fly with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act the fool, I be proud with it.
Okay guys, so this is the auction basically. So I'm assuming, so it would be chairs, guests right here, so, and we would be getting married up in this section. Bird shit up in this place, you know. Of course, them gonna be cleaned. So yeah, them said they'll finish by the end of this year. They're doing pool construction over there, so, and there is a court over there. So how do you feel about the location there? You're not feeling it? It look good?
Because I do it when I'm in, when it gets
Springer.
fixed up on your giant space. We have to put the space, you know, big for the amount of people we have.
How much people back here is it?
So it now going over, you know, it's an oversized space.
Oh yeah.
People are not going to look like ants on a football.
No, exactly, that's true. Let me. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a viewage. So yeah, right here, so I guess them on the grass right here. Get married in up in there, so. I walk over there, sir. Oh, so apparently. What me did need for? Should I have asked for a reception area here? No, the hut. I hear somebody want to ask about the restaurant, the private restaurant. We can ask about the restaurant over here as well. Let me hear the review. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the construction that's going on a little bit. Yeah, so I think it's a little pool. So yeah, it will be a small party. So this would be. Is this two?
This is one. This is a better size. This is a better size. This is a better size.
I don't know. So it's set up already for something, I guess.
Yes.
This is kind of really tight. So let me say this is tight. You like the other one better?
It's like around a small.
Yeah, this is like a little room.
What they did.
Oh, they board it off.
Based on
The size?
what you want.
Oh.
So the partition can partition it.
Oh. And no, but you have it.
They can, if you want it smaller, the partition can get it smaller. So
Mommy, so it can go up until over here. Wow.
normal. To go straight by. This is one. Then next one.
Oh.
Truly just a little small thing.
Yeah.
The partition to the size that they went.
Okay. So wouldn't be bad at all. Okay. Guess we shall keep something. It's not bad. Girl, okay.
This is the ballroom.
Okay.
I said before, based on the size that you
Can
want,
partition.
it's gonna partition.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, this is, yeah, these are its spaces, yeah. Darn.
yeah, when you pick conference,
Everything.
you use
All
spoons.
this, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, right? It's bird. Oh God, in here warm. Yeah, I assume that. Come on, sir. Or you like the restaurant? I like it. It looks really nice. It is nice. Okay, so I now believe that we're on the second location, I believe. I'm gonna go inside and see who we can talk to. Just get a view of the venue. I mean, I don't hate it, to be honest. I really don't hate it. It's right next to the pool. No, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I really don't. Yeah, I kind of like it. What you call it? Let me see the face. What you call it? The reception areas. I was told about Mingle and Blue Mahal.
Alright, they're in the process of setting it up for something else later on today, but this is it. Even if you get some variation.
Yeah, this is like a 2 for 6 around each table. Yeah, it should be good. It's the idea of the locations. Yeah, and this is good. Alright, so what are we thinking? So, yeah, where you say you prefer the first location?
Yeah, the first one.
Where you say, mommy?
But them, the area where on a reception, are they,
Hold on. Alright, where you say no, not the one?
the area where we actually gonna get married
For which part?
over there.
The second location?
Yeah, it look better than
Their area.
the garden over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I kind of like
But
the second location, like, you know, concrete up, and I'm assuming that when you put an arch and a decoration and all them stuff there, it will look nice. However, I don't know where we paused off, but like yeah, the second location I kind of like the area for the wedding itself. I don't mind it, but the first location, I guess, based off of, I mean, when it's dressed up, cause based off of what we saw like in brochures and those stuff, it looked really nice, and there's construction going on, so I don't know if that has anything to do with how it kind of feels bored off. I don't know, but we have one more location to look, and I'm hoping for the best. But like, I don't know. Orion said he likes the first location for everything better first. That's what you said?
Yeah.
No, we have some thinking for do. We have one more, and then we can really discuss and see what's going on. Cause there's one other location that's outside of these three that we're viewing today, but them kind of iffy. Never they have great communication when it comes to them, so they're like a last resort.
But which part of Irish would I take pictures of them?
For here,
Yeah.
basically the venue where the wedding itself would keep rotted. Mommy no said we go across the road.
You don't go across.
No, I say crash. But I say look here, so you can spot out some.
Well, yeah, that's true.
But no entry, so we can't exit.
Alright, anyways guys, on to the third location. Let's see. Alright, so we'll find ourselves to the front desk. Alright, so don't know where nothing is, I'm just walking. I don't know what else is going on. Where's the receptionist? Babe, I don't know where nothing is. I'm trying to find a reception. Excuse me, where's the receptionist?
Reception.
The reception, yeah.
You guys come for your college thing?
No.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on this night. Whatever comes Tuesday.
Is it
Do
open?
you slide on all your nights?
So this is the area. There's a lot of space. Definitely. We can ask her the question. Since she's here, she looks like she's one of the sales rep. We can actually ask her questions. But boy, son, out of this, I know. Alright, so guys, this is the area that they said they keep for the ceremony. What we were in a while ago was for like the reception. It's a lot of space. I don't mind that. You like the space? We not do so much. Wait, let me tell you. No, I know she don't come upstairs. My sister stand up down there. I'm saying what I'm feeling is that. What am I thinking now? I guess what do you think now, babe? What are you thinking now?
Alright, can't think after.
It looks nice.
Yes, no reception.
I would want to keep. Yeah, but the thing is that the cost and all them stuff there, I can't ask her. Jesus, I don't have a cost for this location at all.
My diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my match at 20,000 pay.
This is the pavilion. What they normally do, if they're using this space, they have the ceremony on the platform here.
Okay.
And then the reception inside the room.
Oh, okay. So this is like the next area to keep everything as well. Oh, all right. Let me. Okay. And the cost remains the same, 50, and then based off of the, yeah. So, what's this one location? Okay. Yeah, kind of like in here. What's that? Yeah, we wouldn't need this much, yes, but yeah. It's fine. I guess we can decide and think about it. How about work? Alright, so. Okay.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Then something takes
See the division for half of the room.